welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It's time for another video. Yes, another video time. All right, lovies. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about all things press-on nails and how I got this full set from right here in the comfort of my own home. Yes, this was done right here in my house.
I said what I said.
Now let me tell you guys how I even got here, okay? Because you all know I'm faithful to the nail shop, okay? Once every 3 weeks, you already know. When the quarantine started, I had just went to my nail tech and got a brand new full set. Like, we started over from scratch and they were absolutely beautiful. Then the quarantine hit and I was like, I can't go to see her. You know, she can accept clients. You know, everything was just really just on lockdown. So I soaked those off and I was like, okay, I'll just paint my nails. I'll be fine. I'll get through this. Well, as I was painting my nails, I was like, I don't even really like this. So then at that point, I was like, let me just go see what some other options are. So I went to Target and I picked up a few boxes of press-on nails. And long story short, I absolutely fell in love with the press-on nails, okay? And then I got to thinking, like, I might not want to go to sit in the nail shop every few weeks to get my nails done, but I definitely still want to support my nail tech because I absolutely love her. So I hit up my nail tech and I was like, hey, Whitney, I know that at one point you were doing press-on nails. Are you still doing press-on nails? Can I get a set? What I gotta do to get what you got? And that's how we got to this point. So this video is done in collaboration with my wonderful, beautiful nail tech, Whitney Brown at Treasure Nails. I absolutely love her, and I am rocking her pressed treasure nail collection. So she sent me 3 sets of pressed on nails. They are custom made. As you'll see here, my nails are very neutral, very calm, because she knows I do not like a whole lot going on with my nails just because of my job. But she does a little bit of everything, okay? The girl is fast. So today we're going to be doing this white set with the cherry detail, and I am absolutely so excited to do so. Whitney, I love you. I absolutely love your business, and I pray that you just continue to do what God has blessed you to do. So before we get into the video, of course, I have a couple of reminders. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Become a lovey subby today. Don't forget to comment on this video. This is the emoji that we'll be using down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to share this video. Yes, girl, share me with your friends and let them know all about the lovey-dovey family. And last but not least, don't forget to ring the bell. Ring.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
Don't forget to ring the bell so that way you're notified every time I upload, which is every Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am right here, and sometimes on Wednesdays. Let's go ahead and get into this video, you guys. I'm so excited to show you how I achieved this look. Let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, I am starting here with my bare nails, looking a hot mess, but it's okay because we're about to get them together. I'm going to go ahead and start out with trimming my nails down. I don't like to have long nails underneath my press-on nails. It's just a personal preference. So I go ahead and prep my nails first by trimming them down, cutting off any, long edges, and just making sure that they're nice and short underneath the nails just to avoid any discomfort. And I'm just taking my time to make sure that that gets done properly and to ensure that I don't cut myself because we don't need any bloodshed today. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this file and I'm going to go ahead and file down my nails even further just to make sure they're nice and smooth and polished looking and uniform. I prefer to just use a file instead of cutting my nails down too close to the hyponychium. I like to just use a file to just really, shave them down and do it safely. Alrighty, now that we've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and take some pure acetone, and I'm using this kind of as a dehydrator to dehydrate my nails. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on a cotton ball, and I'm going to go ahead and just, dehydrate the nails, get off any residue before we kind of start our application. Okay, and this next step is definitely optional, but this is a nail fungus remover, and I just like to apply a couple of drops of that to each nail before I apply my press-ons, just to reduce the possibility of any, nail fungus as you possibly get moisture underneath the nails. That just reduces that possibility. And this is the kit that your nails are going to come with when you get your pressed treasure. It comes with, of course, a business card, and you're also going to have an emery board to shape the nails and shape your nails as well. You're going to get a cuticle pusher, as well as a little buffing block and some nail glue, and it also is going to come with an instruction card on how to do it. So first I'm going to go ahead and start with my cuticle pusher and just go ahead and push back the cuticles on each of my nails. This is definitely an important step, as you do not want to be applying your press-ons on top of, long cuticles on the nail bed or anything like that. You just want to make sure your nails are nice and groomed. And here I am taking the emery board that is inside of your kit, and I am just going to make sure that there are no, loose ends that need to be tied up and filed down. Make sure my nails are nice and prepped and ready to. And next, I'm going to go ahead and take my buffing block and buff each of those nails. This is a very key step to making sure that your nails last a long time, so do not forget to buff your nails. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of acetone again, just to dehydrate the nails once more and make sure I get off any, loose nail powder or any nail dust that may have come from me filing my nails. Okay, so this is my pressed treasure. As I mentioned before, she did gift me 3 sets of nails. They're all very beautiful, and she knows exactly how I like my nails. Very plain, simple, and pretty. And look at how that polish is just so shiny. This quality you cannot get in the drugstore. And then this is the glue, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to prep for glue. I'm just taking my nail, as you can see, and I'm just measuring it out first. For some reason, my pinkies, they have a little bit of trouble sometimes with the measurements, but everything else, as you will see, will be perfect because she did get my measurements before sending these to me. So I just here am applying a little bit of glue to the pinky nail, actually a generous amount of glue. And then I'm going to take the nail, make sure it's lined up, make sure I have it in a good spot, and press it down for 30 seconds to make sure it doesn't move. Now this is one technique, and I'm going to show you the technique that I actually use for the rest of my nails, and it helps them stay on much longer. So that's that one technique. But what I like to do is I like to put a simple little dot of glue on the inside of the nail, and then still, cover the entire nail bed with the nail glue. And then just do the same thing from there, line it up. You don't want any crooked nails, so you see me, putting it over top the nail bed, making sure it's nice and lined up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply that pressure for about 30 seconds here. And as you can see, I'm just pressing it down for about 30 seconds. And that thing is not going to go absolutely anywhere. And I just continue that same method for all of my other nails. One thing I love about the nail glue that Whitney includes, it is professional nail glue, so you don't have to worry about any pop, shakes, or anything like that. She did a great job with the materials that she provides to you. So that's awesome. And now that I have all my nails applied, I'm going to go ahead and take some acetone to the nails just to get the gel polish to really shine and pop. And girl, we are all done. I mean, you can have a full set in less than 30 minutes, honey, just from the comfort of your own home. And look at that. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love how they turned out. So shiny and just great quality. So Whitney, thank you so much for sending me these. I absolutely love them. Ladies, I would say that you need to run and get your pressed treasure today. Do not forget to check out Whitney at Treasure Nails. I just absolutely love what she's done for me, and I trust that she will do the same for you. Her Instagram page and contact information will be linked down below. Hey lovies, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.